All right, welcome back to our SPT Season 0 Escape from Tarkov. Last particular episode, we got swept out of reserve for the second part of the back to back series. However, in the final raid of that particular series, we got four trading cards that we sold for over 91,000 rubles. Which, if you saw the setup for factory, gave us two pistols and some bullets. We have saved over 51K just in the event that I have to spend something to get more weapons. I did not want to pull the trigger on a machine gun at this moment because you never know what's gonna happen in factory. Also, throughout the season, we had no kills. This could be the first, and with the last three here, not including the scab run special and the PvE special, we have no kills. Are we about to pull off a pacifist run for the sake of this season? It might not happen. We're gonna have to at least go all in here for this final episode of the season where it's a regular season. So let's go over the lineup. We're going to rock the 9 by 18 PM PB, which is the silencer pistol. I also have the same bullets from the last weapon. I am also gonna bring uh 50 bullets, and I will also rock the med kit. And yeah, basically that's all we have. So we're gonna have to run it like that for this particular series in factory. So let's go. Factory was good to us last time. Can we get some good luck here? It's going to be needed. We're gonna have to win some raids. Here we go. Raid number 10 out of 12 this season begins right now. And we start off in the room. Oh, okay. I know where this might be. Yep. Loot off the rip. Ooh, it's a mystery. Ooh, that might be sellable. Oh, and by the way, we have an orange. Nice. And he's nearby. Oh, he's probably coming upstairs. I know he's over here somewhere. Oh, he got his buddies. Oh, that's okay. I'm going upstairs. Oh, nice. They're all up here. Oh, there's one down here now. Oh, I'm surrounded by yellow. And the thing is, the next expo spot is on the other side of the area. Ooh, ooh, I have something to sell. Great. That's nice. This is on the way. Ooh, is on the way to the expo spot. He's literally talking that it's this area. Now I'm gonna go run for it. This to grab a win right here. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna take what I got right there. All right. The next raid begins now. Let's see if we're gonna get a series win with our brand new weapon here. Okay, let's see how it looks. Ooh, nice. And we spawn where there's loot. Oh, and there's somebody. Oh, okay, money. But this doesn't mean automatic win. Oh, cool. There's four. And it's an orange. And two yellows. That's just nice. Oh, and they're on this side. I'm gonna let them fight it out. They're fighting it out. That's great. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Now this gets interesting. There's four there. I could go for the series win right now. I have a weapon that I just turned there. The PP91 Kidder 9 by 18. We always have a card. Yeah, I'm gonna go for the series win. Not gonna take my chances with those four. That could be a series win. Yep, that's a series win. So we have at least uh we have a chance to win the season. but it's going to count as a run through because we didn't really play the raid. I just needed to win something here. If we do not get any kills last raid, that's a pacifist run. We have 0 kills this season. We have hit. We have 0 kills. This might be our first pacifist run. If we win this next raid, that's a sweep. For the final time this season 0, it is time for the last factory raid before season 1. Here we go. Last raid this. No kills so far, by the way. And we still win raids. Oh, right off the rip, we have a yellow. Okay. We don't need that. He's 1 level behind the low. Oh, he's probably by the door. That's Dot. Got him. First kill of the season. Oh, there's another one. We are running. He's right there somewhere. Yeah, I think he's going to go up here. There's a yellow down there. There's two in this area. I have to watch this other guy too. Because the other guy could jump up. Ah, that's it. That's the end of the season, and it ends like that. Oh boy, that's okay. 2-1. And this time I can actually put up a number on kills here. One. All right. So the final stats, we made to level 4. PBE doesn't count this season because new thing, and we have to see what it looks like as a scab run. All right, that's gonna end the season here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, but we have some bonus raids coming up. We have the PVE version of Factory. Let's see how that goes. And we have some scab runs SPT style. So the scab runs don't count because you spawn it as scab, and the items you get are random. And the PVE doesn't count this season because we are going to do PVE on season 1. We're just trying it out. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed the season. If you guys enjoyed it, hit that like, hit that share, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you guys leave feedback. What mods do you want me to remove? What mods do you want me to add? All that type for season 1. Season 1, we are going to go deeper. We have a split season. We have SPT and PvE. We are going to try questing on SPT, however. So it could be a little bit different than the season. We'll find out more, you'll find out more once I give you the season 1 preview sometime after September 3rd. Enjoy, and we'll see you guys in season 1 of SPT and season 1 of PvE. Enjoy, and remember, stay frosty and escape from dark off.